Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing and setting up my hydroponics machines, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along at home. Let's start by taking the machine out of the box and placing it on a flat surface. Once it's out, go ahead and assemble the parts. Everything should click or slide into place easily. Now plug in the two cords, one for power and one for the pump. Once it's connected, we're ready to add water. Fill the reservoir until the water reaches the top line on the front indicator window. I like filling it all the way so I don't have to refill constantly. Next, place the plastic baskets into the openings and get ready to add your soil sponges and seeds. Choose seeds that grow well together. I'm using beets and chives because they're great companion plants. I grabbed my seeds from Dollar Tree. 3 packs for $1.50, which was a total steal. Add beet seeds to 6 sponges and chive seeds to 6 sponges, then place each sponge into its basket. I will only be using one machine this time because I need to order more soil sponges, and it looks like I am missing one plastic soil basket. I will need to order one of those too. I don't think you can just buy one more though. Usually they come in a pack. Well, at least I will have more for another time. Now add your plant vitamins to the water. This gives your seedlings a strong start. I'm not sure which seeds I will plant in the other machine. You will have to tune in to see in the next video. Turn on your machine and choose the correct growing mode. Select vegetables for plants like beets and chives, or fruits and flowers if you're growing flowering plants like strawberries or marigolds. Place the tiny greenhouse domes over each basket. These help your seeds sprout faster. And now, just wait. Your plants will begin to grow over the next several days. Once your seedlings are big enough, you can transplant them into small pots, larger planters, garden beds, or keep them growing right in the hydroponics machine. Experiment. Have fun and enjoy the process. Check the description for links to a similar hydroponics machine and all the supplies you'll need. If you purchase from the link, I will get a small commission. Everything helps to buy new supplies for gardening. Thanks for watching and happy growing! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.